This answer is powered by AskQuesty.com. Get help with your Shopify questions or tasks on demand.
Hi everyone, so the question is, how do you change your Shopify store name? Maybe you just started a trial of Shopify and you just named it kind of just a random name, maybe test trial Shopify, and you don't want that to be your shop name anymore, right? So I'm going to show you how to do that. It's super simple. What you're going to need to do is go down to settings, which is right down here, and then go, once it pops up in settings, you're going to go to general. Okay. And then you're going to see your store name. So this is where you change your store name. I have mine set as Wanderer Dev Shop Site. I can change it to whatever I want. Maybe I'll just erase all that. All you have to do is click save and your store name will change to that. Now, if you're also referring to this right here, what people see in the URL, you're going to see Wanderer Dev My Shopify. And this is my temporary domain for my Shopify. Now, if you bought a domain from Shopify, that's what people are going to see up here. Now, if you ever want to change this, maybe if you have a third-party domain that you want to use, that's a completely different step. You're going to have to go to your online store and go down to domains. All right, and there you're going to see your primary domain. Obviously, I have just a dev site, so I don't really have a domain connected. You can either connect an existing domain, or you can transfer a domain, or you can buy a new domain. And this is what is going to change what people see in their search bar. Okay, hope that helps and have a great day.
Was this helpful? Ask a Shopify question now. AskQuesty.com.